What if you could earn an extra $147 every single month from just one client by offering this service? Most businesses are losing money every single week because of no-shows. People book their appointment, but they forget or they just don't show up, and that costs a lot of money for that business owner. And it's the type of money that they can't get it back, and they can't get it back that time as well. And luckily, there is an automation in a service that you can offer to solve that problem. And even with the rise of AI, this is a system that still needs a human to go and set it up. And business owners are just too busy, or sometimes they are just not techy enough to go and set it up themselves. And this is where you come in. Without further ado, let's get right into it. I will show you what this beginner-friendly service is, why people need it, what type of business actually needs it, how much you can charge, and how you can get your first client this week. But just a quick story time, because that's what inspired me to make this video. I went to get my nails done last week with my favorite Brazilian manicure, and she was saying to me how upset she was with the no-shows. People just simply book and they don't show up. And she implemented a new policy now that you have to pay 50% upfront when you book the appointment. And she explained me why, because she had people canceling even like 3 minutes before the appointment, which is absolutely ridiculous, isn't it? Because you can't get another client to come and fill that time, or sometimes you can't even do anything because you're waiting for your next client. So it's really stressful, and it's a time and money that you can't get it back. It's not just about the money as well, because she has a little kid. We live in a coast town, so it's like 5 minutes to go to the beach. And she said once everyone went to the beach, her entire family, the kid, the husband, and she didn't go because she had this appointment booked and the person never showed up. And she was just like really frustrated because she was missing that precious time with her kid, and the person didn't bother to message or cancel or anything like that. So it's a big problem that businesses have, and that you can solve it with a booking system. No-shows are silently killing businesses. A hair salon, for example, with 20 clients a week and a 20% no-show rate is losing 4 appointments every week. That's real money walking out the door. That can be from £50 to even £500 every week. The reason why this keeps happening is because most local businesses, they get their appointments set up through WhatsApp, through phone calls, through DM messages, and they don't have a system in place to remind them and to prepare that client for their appointment. How you can solve that problem for that business owner: you can set up an automated system that reminds them about their appointment. What happens when you set this up? First, the client books an appointment and they will get their confirmation. 24 hours before, they will receive a reminder. 1 hour before, they get their final reminder with all the information that they need to show up to that appointment. And the best of all is that you or that business owner doesn't need to do anything for this to happen. This is an automated process that reduces the no-show rate, it holds the revenue, it keeps that business growing, and it protects the time of that service provider as well. Why this works? Well, numbers don't lie. One reminder sequence cuts no-shows by 60%. No-shows cost service businesses between £200 to £400 every week in lost appointments. So if you are able to create a system to prevent this from happening, that easily covers your fee. And businesses know that they have this problem, they just don't know how to fix it. And who needs this system? You can think about any appointment-based business. So you can think about hair salon, barbers, physiotherapists, dentists, coaches, consultants, personal trainers, wellness, and beauty clinics. If they are still booking appointments via DMs and phone calls, they are putting their time and revenue at risk. And how does this system actually works behind the scenes? Well, if you use GoHighLevel, I'm going to quickly show you a demo on how you can set this up, or just you can have an idea how this works behind the scenes. You're going to go to your calendars. So here you can create different calendars. So you just need to create a brand new calendar, explore more types, and you can create a service booking calendar. So you can set what's the service that you're offering, what's the staff member that is going to be be providing this service. You can add a custom URL, what's the service duration, and you can even accept payments and customize this as much as you wish. So this calendar is going to be specific for that service. That's going to be the calendar link that people are going to be booking those calls. And then you need to set up the automations and the reminders. And that's when you need to go to your automations. You're going to create a new workflow. And I'm just going to show you a template here just for the sake of example, so you can see how that works. We're going to pick this appointment confirmation and reminder. Let's preview this. And it's going to be something really similar to this. Basically, people are going to book an appointment in that calendar link that you just created, and they're going to receive a confirmation email 24 hours before the appointment. They'll receive another email 1 hour before the appointment. They'll also receive another email, and it's up to you if you want to add a 5-minute one as well. If you want to add an SMS, or if you want to add a WhatsApp message, it's really up to you and up to that business that you are serving. But this is going to be all automated. All the information that that client needs to receive before their appointment should be in here. And that's it. Once you have this system in place, you can just embed that calendar link into that client's website. You can pop it on their email. You can plug and play wherever they need to put that calendar. And once they book an appointment, this automation is going to be triggered automatically. And how much can you charge for this service? You can charge from $97 to $147 a month to keep this running smoothly, and make sure you prevent these no-shows from your client. If you're ready to close your first client, I have a mini challenge for you. As usual, you are going to book a service appointment. So this can be any appointment that you book yourself. So for example, I booked a laser removal appointment, and I was observing what was happening on that system, and I know. So book an appointment, see if you receive any reminders, any confirmations, and if you don't, you can pitch this service to them. Okay, but there is another service that you can charge at least $197 a month, because this service helps your client to get on the top of the search results. It can even get recommended by AI. If you want to offer that service, you cannot miss my next video. So make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you there. Bye.